push and pull. Last two. Now let's take it back. No arms. So back is the same thing. When I go back, I lean forward. Back, and then come forward. Back, and as I step back, I lean forward. Now if you'd like to add some arms, add a tricep on each side. Back, back, and in. Back, back, in. Oh, I love it. I love to work the back of my arms. That's the part of my body that really needs it. So whenever possible, I try to get the back of the arm. Boom, boom, and we're getting it right now. Tricep. Last two. Last one. Now march it out. March it. Okay, we're going to take it into something called out, out, in, in. So I want you to march it wide, wide. March it in. Let's take it out again. March it wide. March it in.